When you plug in an external drive to a Linux system, it doesn't auto-mount by default at startup. To fix that, we use the FSTAB file, located at /etc/FSTAB. First, run lsblk or lsblk-f to identify your drive and file system type, like extension 4 or XFS. Next, open the FSTAB file with sudo vim /etc/FSTAB and add a new line with either the UUID or device path, the mount point, file system type, and options like default 02. Save the file, then test it using sudo mount a. If there are no errors, reboot the system. That's it, your drive will now auto-mount automatically every time Linux starts. Just be careful, mistakes in FSTAB can stop your system from booting.